This video introduces how to log into eWeb of a Reyee device. Reyee devices provide GUI-based eWeb for management. After logging into eWeb of a Reyee device, you can configure and maintain it. When logging into eWeb, you are advised to use a recommended browser. Check the default IP address on the nameplate at the bottom of the device or in the user manual. The default password varies depending on the device type and software version. Enter the password according to the actual device. You can log into eWeb of a device using the device's IP address. In this case, connect a client to the device in wired or wireless mode. This section describes the wired connection. To establish a wired connection, connect the Ethernet port of the client to the downlink port of the device through an Ethernet cable. When using a wired connection, check whether the client's IP address is in the same network segment as the device's default IP address. If not, or when the client does not have an IP address, configure an IP address for the client that is in the same network segment as the device's default IP address. Access Control Panel on the PC. Click View Network Status and Tasks under Network and Internet. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on Ethernet and click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Select Use the following IP address. Configure the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway for the PC. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Set preferred DNS server to the device's default IP address. Click OK to deliver the configuration. This section describes the wireless connection. To establish a wireless connection, connect a client to the Wi-Fi signals broadcast by the device. After a client is connected to the device, open the browser on the client. Enter the device's default IP address in the address bar and press Enter. Enter the device password. Read and agree to the agreements. Click Login. Access the homepage of eWeb. After a device is connected to Ruijie Cloud, you can create a tunnel on Ruijie Cloud to access the device's eWeb. Visit the official website of Ruijie Cloud. On the displayed web page, enter your username and password, and click Login. Click a project name on the home page. Choose Network, Devices. Select a device in device list and click eWeb. Toggle on the feature when automatic remote login to the device's eWeb is allowed. Set the validity period for a tunnel, which cannot exceed 24 hours. Click Create Tunnel. After the tunnel is created, automatic redirection to the homepage of eWeb is performed on some devices. If the automatic redirection is not performed, click Open with Domain or Open with IP to go to the homepage of the device's eWeb. Toggle off the feature when automatic remote login to the device's eWeb is denied. Set the validity period for a tunnel, which cannot exceed 24 hours. Click Create Tunnel. After the tunnel is created, automatic redirection to the login page of eWeb is performed on some devices. If the automatic redirection is not performed, click Open with Domain or Open with IP to go to the login page of the device's eWeb. Enter the password and click Login to access the homepage of the device's eWeb.